Now, it's now a question of representation. Would there be a proper representation if a step or a process that was started in a previous Congress would be continued in the next new Congress? Bilang abogada, sa tingin ko po, that is a very open question. And that is a question that will most certainly reach the Supreme Court. Now, lalo pang makakadelay kung may ganon, mga legal, constitutional issue. So that is an open question. Pero kami po, kasi, yung mga complainants is that gusto namin kung talaga magkakaroon ng legal issue, ang magiging posisyon is that ito kasi, this is not really the core mandate of Congress. The core mandate is the lawmaking. We're not talking here about that core mandate of Congress. This is a special mandate of Congress. Impeachment, accountability. So, pwede ba yon yung principle na yon na hindi na pwede? Kaya kapag lawmaking, yung mga final mong dating mga bills, kung nanalo ka uli, in the next you have to refile it. You are back to square one. Now ito, ganun din ba ang rule? Open na naman yan.